Today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Volkswagen Taos. So I always come over to the passenger side. You can go to either side. I use this airbag. You can get it from Access Tools, or you can go to Home Depot and get a similar bag. You can open up the valve, let all the air out. Or if you don't have an airbag like this, you could use a wood wedge or a plastic wedge, like a door stopper. And just put the bag in the door or the door stopper in there and get it in there and just kind of slide it through the door frame like so. Give yourself like a gap at the top, close the valve and pump it up. And like I said, you can get an airbag like this at Home Depot or Tractor Supply or Harbor Freight, or you can use a wood wedge or a plastic wedge. And then I use Access Tools green reach tool. Is like a 5-foot green metal rod, has a rubber tip on the end of it and a little handle back here. Just slide that through the door frame like so. If you don't have one of these, you can buy a metal rod at Home Depot and tape it up and bend it up. Just come in here to the inside, hook that door handle. And there you go.